If you've been following me on YouTube, you probably know that a month or two ago I bought a new inexpensive laser for my Gatton CNC. And I've been wanting to kind of run a test, kind of a little comparison with this one and my more expensive JTech photonics laser that I have out in my shop around back. This one is, like I said, it's the OxLaser. It's the 3.5 watt. Around back I have the 2.8 watt by JTech, and I just kind of tried to run just some simple text files, engraving text using just the outline, and then coming back and doing it with the fill, and do it with both machines and both lasers, and see just is there a big difference, because obviously I paid $89.99 for this one off Amazon. The JTech was considerably more back, and I even bought it like 3 years ago. I think it was right around $350 for that package. But I'm not going to get into what comes with what, and are they worth the money and all that stuff. I simply want to see that if this little inexpensive laser can put up the same kind of quality that the JTech can. So I'm going to take a few of these blank pieces of cardboard, that way I can keep the test consistent, and I'll be running exactly the same program, same feed rate, same laser power, same everything, and just see what I can come up with. So I'm going to take these around back and get started running some with my Garage Works. Okay, I finished the test on both the using the OxLaser and the JTech, and I want y'all to take a look and see if you can spot any differences. Tell me which one looks better. So I'm going to put something on the screen right now, and let me know if you think the inexpensive OxLaser is on the left or on the right. And again, here's the one with the text where I did the fill. And let me know down in the comments if you think the inexpensive OxLaser is on the left or on the right. If you come watch this Saturday on the CNC with Dave Gatton show, I'm going to show these again, and I'm also going to reveal which one's which, and you might just be surprised. So like I said, if you would, if you want to take a guess at it, leave a comment down below in the comments and just say the OxLaser is on the left or the right in the first example, or for the second example with the fill, that it's on the left or the right. So I'm interested to see what you think. So that's going to do it for this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please think about doing so, and also hit the little bell so you can get a notification when I upload another video. And I guess that's going to do it. Thank you very much for watching.